Well, hello. I've been testing something called GitHub Copilot that help you as a coder to you get example of code that you and in often correct. I've been using this GitHub code for half a year. I've been testing it on multiple websites where you can compete in coding, and I don't even have to read the question. I just copy and paste, get the code answer, and the solution is correct. When I code myself, you just write some code and you get code examples. It works. It's amazing. I use this in Visual Studio. That so I'm going to show you how this works on freeCodeCamp. So I get a problem. I get here JavaScript problem. I don't have to read it. I'm just checking it. And okay, this code, I'm supposed to use this, and under here I'm supposed to write some kind of code. So I copy that. And I go to Visual Studio Code. I create a file because this is a JavaScript problem. I create a file in Visual Studio Code, javascript.js. Okay, so I just paste in the code I got from the problem, and here I'm supposed to create some code. So I just paste in the question as a comment. So I remove everything here, and here I'm supposed to paste in the question. So I scroll down, and here is the question to the problem. Just copy it. Don't have to read it. If I want to learn something, I'd read it, of course. And I paste it in as a comment in the code. So here's the problem. Add the property like two methods and describe the process. Okay. So when I press enter, the GitHub Copilot will study the code up here, check this, and give me some code of some. So I press enter, and I got an example of code. It looks good. I press tab, and so tab to accept the example. And I press enter again. I get more code. I tab, looks good. And I press tab again. There's a little bit, a comma to the right of the marker. I have to check all the time so I don't cross something. So I have to tab this again. Tab. Okay, looks good. I press enter. I get more code. I press tab. Get more code. Tab again. Now I press enter. Do I get anything more? Yes, I get the last. I tab again. And enter. Nothing. So it's done. I copy what I got. Copy. Go back to the website where I'm supposed to test the code. Right. I paste it in here. Now I test if it's a correct answer. Correct. And I go to the next question. Now I've been doing this for half a year. Oh, I don't need that one. Ask me later. And I can go on and on. So if you get stuck in a problem, if you're coding anything, just use this GitHub Copilot. It will give you an example of code, and sometimes you get 10 examples of code, and you have to try all of them until something works. And it's splendid. You just ask GitHub Copilot as a comment in the code here, and you get an code example, and often it's correct. It's quite crazy, this. So this is it. Try GitHub Copilot and save humongous loads of time. Thanks. Goodbye.